All right, guys, so I just picked up this adapter because I just bought a brand new electric vehicle and I want to be able to charge it using the same plug from my dryer. Now, my dryer plug here is a NEMA 1030, but I need a NEMA 1450 in order to plug in. So all I need to do is take this NEMA 1450 that is part of my vehicle's charger here, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this adapter. Just makes it easier because it's kind of tight back there. Might not be tight for you, but it is for me. And I'm going to go ahead and plug this one in to where my dryer plugs in. Now, I am currently using either this or my dryer, but they do sell like switches that you can buy also. But for now, temporarily, this is what I'm doing because it's a cheap, easy fix. Now I've got it hooked up and I've got my plug right here. So I'll show you. I can go ahead and walk over here and open this up and plug it in, and it begins to charge. So really cool, affordable, easy, temporary solution if you just bought an EV and you want to be able to get hooked up. So go ahead and check this one out.